In this lecture, we are going to take a look at how you can make a quick start in your new position. Make sure one thing, or rather don't make the mistake of going in with a fist of fury, trying to show off your authority. Sometimes it happens once a person gets promoted and gets some authority, they start showing their authority, or they try to show off their authority. You should resist the desire to make drastic changes. You are motivated, no doubt. You have been promoted, you got some authority, but now you have to resist the desire. And you know that you need to make some adjustments and changes. You have been working in that particular department most probably, and you know what are the weaknesses and what are the strengths. But at this point, just slow down a little bit. You might want to reassign the roles, but before you do, get your employees' feedback. Go for the buy-in. Sell the idea first. It is very important. You have to make sure that people are on board. Ask the group by asking what changes, if any, they consider necessary and the reasons for the recommendations. Remember that some members of the team may have been doing their job for many years and are likely to have good ideas for improving the group's coordination and productivity. People want to work with people they like. Think, are you likable?
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.